2020 started as any other year. We were booked over the whole world. In February, we received the first cancellations. COVID-19 affected a large amount of companies, but we as Bano in the event industry were affected even harder. With a beautiful perspective for 2020, to not even a single project. Would COVID mean the end for Bano after 56 years of event technology? Well, we had to come up with a solution. So we came in contact with other companies in Groningen, and together we found the solution. Let's Get Digital. A digital platform in which you can experience an event from the comfort of your own home. With a personal check-in at the desk, a network carousel with smart matchmaking, one-on-one meetings and a dedicated area for sponsors. A visitor will experience your event the way they are used to. It was a big step for everybody to switch to online. We had to learn extra skills and we built more studios. And to make the transition less tensive for you, we organize a demo event every 2 weeks. Are you interested and would you like to get to know Let's Get Digital? Sign up for our demo.